Hey TechVerse! It's time to dive into the latest and greatest from OnePlus. In today's review, we're exploring the OnePlus 13R, a phone that brings OnePlus back to its roots. From incredible performance to an unbeatable price, the 13R is poised to dominate the mid-range market in 2025. I've rated it 9 out of 10, and here are the top 5 features that make it a must-have. First up, the display. The 6.78-inch LTPO 4.1 AMOLED panel with 120Hz refresh rate is simply stunning. Whether you're watching movies or playing games, the vibrant colors and 4500 nits max brightness offer a fantastic viewing experience, even outdoors. Plus, OnePlus gives you granular control over the display settings, letting you fine-tune it to perfection. Next, let's talk performance. Under the hood, the OnePlus 13R is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, coupled with 12GB of RAM and UFS 4.0 storage. This combination ensures smooth performance, even with demanding AAA games like Genshin Impact and Pokemon Go. The 13R's performance is a throwback to OnePlus' legacy of offering high-powered devices at a reasonable price. OnePlus hasn't skimped on battery life either. The 13R boasts a massive 6000 mAh battery, a significant upgrade from last year's model. This powerhouse can easily last 2 days on a single charge, and with SuperVOOC wired charging, you can juice up quickly. The phone supports up to 100W charging with an additional power brick, making it one of the fastest charging mid-range phones available. On to the camera system. The 13R features a 50MP primary sensor, a 50MP telephoto with 2x optical zoom, and an 8MP ultra-wide lens. This versatile setup delivers impressive photos, even in low light. Night photography is surprisingly good, retaining detail and color in challenging conditions. While it may not beat a pixel, the 13R's cameras are a welcome surprise for a mid-range device. Finally, the software experience. OxygenOS 15 on the 13R is a return to form for OnePlus. The interface offers a smooth, intuitive experience with ample customization options. OnePlus also promises 4 major Android updates and 6 years of security updates, ensuring your phone stays current for years to come. If you've hesitated to try a OnePlus device, 2025 is the year to reconsider. The OnePlus 13R combines power, battery life, and value like no other mid-range phone. For just $600, you're getting a device that's hard to beat. Welcome to TechVerse, your ultimate destination for the latest tech reviews, news, and how-tos. Dive deep into the world of gadgets with us, and stay ahead in tech trends. Thanks for watching, TechVerse. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome content. Share your thoughts on the OnePlus 13R in the comments below. Until next time, stay tech-savvy.